Hi, welcome aboard the Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This is a fantastic boat, as are all Boston Whalers. The Boston Whaler legend, the quality of the boat is second to none. It's really intended to be passed down like you would your shotgun from generation to generation. We've got twin 300 Merc Verados that really make this boat get up and run. You're looking at mid 50s to upper 50s miles an hour. Plenty of seating in this Outrage. You've got your transom bench seat here, which it's really cool. It seats two people comfortably while underway. And also, if you would like more room, whether it be for fishing or just socializing while underway, it stows very quickly and easily. You've got storage boxes, port and starboard. Our fish boxes, you've got access to your bilge, batteries, everything that you need. We've got live wells here for all your bait. Very excellent helm accommodations. The seating is second to none. I equate it with the best on the market. We've got the Raymarine G Series touchscreen, all your toggles here. This glove box, actually, oh, there's someone calling for one right now. This boat is available for immediate delivery, by the way. It's January 5th. We're getting ready to go out on the water. As you can with the outboards, there's no winterization. All you have to do is drop them in the water, start them up, and take off. It makes it easy to boat year round. We've got windshield wipers, vent here, nice seating here in the bow for two people with armrests. I left the cushions off the nose seating area for a reason. Usually there's nothing under seats, cushions, but storage space. This has a nice skid resistant walk around platform for casting. So that makes it really nice here. We've got our anchor, locker, windlass, remote operation from the bow as well as from the helm. The ride is second to none. It's unsinkable. Truly a legend. Invented the center console. Boston Whaler, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. My name is Paul. 573-365-5382. Please come by, ask for me. We'll go for a ride. See you on the water.